Today I'm going to walk you through how to add a bot to your Telegram channel, a simple but powerful upgrade for any community or business. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only learn how to add a bot to your channel, but also how to make sure it has exactly the permissions you need, so your bot can do its job perfectly. Let's get started. Don't worry if you've never done this before, I'll guide you step by step. First, open up the Telegram app and navigate to your channel. You'll want to do this from a device where you're the administrator of the channel, since only admins can make changes like adding a bot. Once you're inside your channel, look for the channel's settings or profile. The method can vary slightly between mobile and desktop, but the options will be similar. You're aiming to access the member or administrator list. Sometimes it's labeled members, sometimes it's administrators, but basically it's where you manage who has access to the channel. Take a moment here to think about why this matters. Adding a bot is almost like inviting a new team member to help you manage or automate tasks. Just like adding a human admin, you want to do this carefully to keep your channel secure and running smoothly. Once you're viewing the member or administrator list, find the option to add member or add administrator. This can usually be found at the bottom or in the menu. Sometimes you might need to tap the little pencil or settings icon. Telegram is pretty user-friendly, but if you don't see it right away, don't stress. Just look around for management or member controls. A quick patience check here. Sometimes loading these lists for large channels might take a second or two. When you're ready to add someone new, tap Add Member and type in the username of the bot you want to add. Remember, Telegram bots always end in bot, for example, WeatherBot. If you haven't already created or found the bot you want, you might need to search for it or even set one up beforehand, but for now, just enter the username. Selecting the bot will trigger a prompt where you confirm adding them to your channel. Here's an important detail. Bots behave differently depending on the permissions you give them, so think ahead a little bit about what you want your bot to do. For now, just click Save or Add. You'll always be able to tweak those settings later. Your bot is now part of the channel. Congratulations, but the real power comes from deciding what your bot can actually do. To get the most out of your bot, you might want to go back into the administrator or member settings and specifically grant the bot more permissions. For example, you can let your bot post messages, manage messages, add other members, or carry out moderation. Adjust these permissions carefully. Think of it like giving keys to different rooms in your house. You don't always want to hand over full control, but some bots need certain permissions to provide their coolest features. After saving, give your bot a quick test. Maybe send a command or check that it's responding the way you expect. If something isn't working just right, don't worry, double-check the permissions, and if you need help, drop a comment below. And that's all there is to it. Adding a bot to your Telegram channel is a straightforward process, but giving the bot the exact permissions it needs helps you unlock all its useful features. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more easy guides, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Telegram tip you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and happy channel building.